I am Dr. Leena Jain, plastic and reconstructive surgeon at Mumbai. Today we'll talk about something called concealed scar surgery. Now, often patients ask whether there will be a scar. Scar is inevitable. Remember, scar is a byproduct of any surgical procedure. But the idea of concealed scar surgery is that the scar is hidden. Can it be done in all cases? Well, no, it cannot be done in all surgeries. But a lot of surgeries, we can use this concept of concealed scar surgery. For example, if you have a forehead swelling, the forehead swelling can be an osteoma, can be a lipoma, or can be a sebaceous cyst. Now, when you have an osteoma or a lipoma, suppose it's here on the middle of the forehead, then the scar is concealed in this hairline. So we put an incision here, we remove the entire lipoma or the osteoma, and then we suture this back. So on the front of the forehead, there's no scar. Similarly, if you have one on the temple, then again the scar is in the hairline. We excise the lipoma, but there is no scar on the temple. So for practical reasons, the scar will not be revealed. That's why it's called a concealed scar surgery. When you undergo a nose surgery, can a scar be seen? No, but there is a scar. So the scar is here at the columella, which is not seen at a communicating distance. So again, that's a concealed scar surgery. Following a facelift, no, there is no scar, but there is. The scar is just in front of the ear, but it remains hidden. So it's a concealed scar surgery. When you have a growth on the neck or like a lipoma again or a cyst, the scars are well concealed because the scars are taken in these creases, so it's not seen. So basically the idea of concealed scar surgery is to be able to remove big swelling, especially things like lipoma or fibroma or osteoma, through natural landmarks or through hidden areas, such that these give a very good cosmetic appearance. You are out and free from the lipoma, and yet there is no scar. So remember this concept, remember to ask this concept to your plastic surgeon and go for it when offered. It gives you a beautiful result. All the best. Thank you.